Hello everyone, I'm again here. Welcome you. I'm Alok, father of two sons, 9 trees, husband to a superwoman. I'm an engineer, an entrepreneur, traveler, founder of 2 successful running companies, author at heart, and now a parenting expert. I'm on a mission to help hundreds of thousands of parents bring the best version of children. Friends, today I'm here to talk about utilization and importance of time. You know, time is money we call normally in our day-to-day life. समय किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता है. Time never waits for anybody. And the best part is, time keeps on ticking. Yes, either it is a good time or a bad time. It keeps on moving, and that is about life as well. जिंदगी में आपको रुकना नहीं है. आगे बढ़ते रहने का नाम ही जिंदगी है. जो रुक गया, समझो वो मर गया. Right? So, importance of time is very crucial. I'll tell you my own story. हम सब अभी लॉकडाउन में फंसे हुए हैं. कुछ जगह कुछ रिलैक्सेशन ज़रूर मिली है, बट mentally we are still locked down. We're trying to come out of it, and there is a risk factor involved. That's a fact of life. मैं इस लॉकडाउन में अपनी खुद की कहानी आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. जब पहला लॉकडाउन हुआ तो स्टार्टिंग में सब ने घरों में अलग अलग डिशेस बनाए. इट्स अ एवरी हाउस स्टोरी. हर किसी के पास सफिशिएंट टाइम था, क्योंकि ये सदी में एक बार होने वाली चीज़ है. वंस इन नॉट ओनली डिकेड, वंस इन सेंचुरी काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग हुई कि सब कुछ बंद हो गया और सब अपने अपने घरों में कैद हो गए. तो स्टार्टिंग में क्या हुआ, हमने अलग अलग डिशेस बनाने शुरू किए और खाना शुरू किया. बहुत मज़ा आया. 2 दिन, 4 दिन, सप्ताह दिन, 10 दिन तो बहुत मज़ा आया. उसके बाद सबको समझ में आया कि यार हमारा टाइम तो जा रहा है. सो व्हाट शुड वी डू? सेम थिंग हैपन विथ मी. सो इट्स माय ओन रियल स्टोरी. मैंने भी सोचा कि यार ऐसे तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते, तो क्या किया जाए. हाउ शुड आई यूटिलाइज माई टाइम प्रोडक्टिवली. कुछ क्रिएटिव करूँ. बिलीव मी गाइज, आई हैड अ वेरी लॉन्ग ड्रीम इनसाइड माई सेल्फ टू राइट अ स्टोरी बुक, राइट अ नॉवल. And when I found that now no clients are calling me, I don't have to go anywhere because I'm in a sales profession. I need to go to a client's place for meetings and pitch my products. So those all things were entirely closed. So I started writing. Trust me, a guy who has been graduated I think around 20 years back, उसके लिए फिर से लिखना, that too on a pen and paper, it's very difficult. But I had in my mind that I'll be writing something very good. So I started writing. Believe me guys, it took me 1.5 months around to write the entire novel. I wrote about 197 books. And after writing it on a piece of paper, on pages, I converted it into soft copy. Right? And then I published it on Amazon. Guys, it was entirely, if you take from day 0 to day I would say 60 days, around 2 months, I completed my first novel. After editing and everything, I launched it on Amazon, and trust me guys, this book is one of the best sellers in its category. It's about love and romance of 90s. So what I'm trying to say is, there was a passion in my heart which was stuck somewhere. कहीं ना कहीं वो अंदर की बात अंदर छुपी हुई थी, जिसको निकालने का मौका मुझे मिला. और उसके बाद उस चीज़ को इतनी प्रोडक्टिवली मैंने किया कि मतलब मैं खुद हैरान हूँ ये देख करके कि मैंने कितनी अच्छी एक क्रिएशन की है. एंड बिलीव मी, इंस्पायरिंग बाय दैट book, I again got into writing another book, and I published the second book in another 1 month's time. Yes, now there are 2 books on Amazon by my name, under my authorship, and that is why and how I tell that I am an author. These books are very fantastic. You'll love to read. You'll connect yourself to the particular books. So guys, what I'm trying to say is, it was my passion which was forgotten somewhere, and it was underneath several responsibilities which got a chance to come up while this lockdown. So I'll again tell you, whatever is there in your mind as a passion, try to take it out from your inside and do it. Live for your passion for some time. See how you enjoy it. That's for the day, guys.